Hello, my students. Good morning. Good
Good
morning,
morning.
everyone. It's okay. I asked before to introduce or to get to bring with you everyone breakfast or dinner or lunch diet as you can. So let's start with Mariam. You bring anything with you today?
Yes,
You bring what?
I bring rice which contain the carbohydrates
Yeah,
and
the
protein
chicken.
and lipids. Yes,
Yeah,
which contain protein and lipids.
yeah. And what else?
Uh, what else?
Enough in rice and chicken?
Yes, yes,
Yes, it's okay. So you search about that the rice contain carbohydrates and chicken contain protein and lipids? You search for this
yes.
information? Yes, it's okay. Thank you, Mariam. And you, Muhammad, you bring anything with you?
Yes, we have here butter.
Yes?
Uh, butter, the lipids,
Yeah?
rigid emulsion of grains of fat,
Yeah?
sugar and mineral salts,
Mm-hmm.
uh, produced from shaking of cream,
Mm-hmm.
separated from milk. Most of them are made from cow's milk fats, and a
Yeah.
few are made from sheep's, goats, and buffalo milk fats. Uh,
You collect a lot
and
of
I have
information
also,
about the lipids.
and I have also starch
Yes?
from carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates, yeah. So here you have two things which are fat, which is a type of lipid, and the other is the starch with carbohydrates. Thank you,
Yeah.
Muhammad. And Farida, could you introduce yourself, and then could you tell me what things that you bring with you?
Okay. Here is rice
Yeah.
which contain carbohydrates
Yes.
and spinach which contains vitamins.
Yes. And yeah, iron. Yes, for you. Yes. Uh.
Yes, iron and vitamins, and meat which contain protein.
Yeah, super. So your diet today is the protein, carbohydrates, and vitamins. Thank you, Farida. Luigi, could you tell me what is your diet today, or what you bring anything for diet?
Yes, um, I brought salad,
Yeah.
and it contains vitamins
Yes, a lot of vitamins.
and
Yeah, they are cucumber.
fruits. It
Mm,
contains
carbohydrate.
carbohydrates
Yeah, and also
and
vitamin
vitamins.
C. Yes. Thank you, Luigi.
Yes,
Okay, Ganna, could you introduce your food or bring yeah, you bring what? Which type of food you bring? Ganna,
I got chicken,
chicken.
which got lo-
Yeah, chicken is protein.
liquid.
Yeah,
Yes,
and bread. This type of bread is
meat.
what? Carbohydrates or protein?
Yes, yes.
Carbohydrates. Yes, and
Carbohydrates.
yeah,
Rice,
yeah.
which contains
Prote-
uh,
they are fried
protein.
potatoes. Yes, yes, they are carbohydrates. It's okay. Thank you for
Yes.
all for bringing this meal. Thank you, guys. Today we are talking about your diet. So our lesson today about your diet, and we must know what is the balanced diet that we must contain during the dinner and during the lunch and during the breakfast. So let me share my screen and see you the diet. Yeah, here, guys, we are talking about the contents of our diet. Everyone here, yeah, search about a lot of information about the diet. So let's start with, uh, please, okay, give me 1 minute, please.
Take your time.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, here. Let's start with vitamins. Like Luigi, you introduce vitamins that found in the cucumber and the tomato, the lot of vitamins that we take from the salad. Here we have a lot of vitamins like vitamin C that found in the orange that you bring with you, Yaluji, and we have also vitamin A that we bring it maybe and like carrots give me vitamin A and also vitamin B. It's a type of all vitamins. They are very important to us that help us to give mineral salts or to give us some of them give us energy, some of them give us immunity like vitamin C. It protects us from flu and so on. And other thing here we have carbohydrates. Most of you have a carbohydrates. There's something wrong here.
Yes, I have here starch. It's
Yeah,
from
and
carbohydrates.
also Farida, you bring what?
Rice.
I
Rice.
got rice.
Yeah, and you, yeah, Mariam, you bring carbohydrates or not?
I bring rice also.
Yes,
Yes, rice.
yeah. You know the carbohydrates. What is the benefit of carbohydrates? Today we're talking about carbohydrates and benefits of carbohydrates. Yeah, carbohydrates is very important to us as it is a source of energy. Yeah, it is a source of energy for us. It is a fast source of energy. So if you want to take any energy, you must take
I think your
carbohydrates.
voice is muted.
Is muted now?
I can't hear.
It's okay.
No.
No, it's not mute. Yeah, you hear me well? Yes. So here we have carbohydrate, the first, second type of diet. We took before vitamins, and second type of diet is carbohydrates. The source of energy. Yes, carbohydrates is source of energy. It's fast source of energy. So if you want to get any energy, you must get carbohydrates. Like what? Huh, like rice, like grapes, like bread. Yeah. So the carbohydrate is one of source of energy. It's a fast source of energy. So the first importance for the
Please,
carbohydrate.
I have a question, please.
Yeah.
You said the carbohydrates the fattest source of energy.
Yeah, fast source of
I
energy.
think I think the lipids is from the fattest or biggest source of energy. Also,
No, lipids is not fast source of energy. Lipids is the last thing that your body try to get the energy. The first source of energy comes from the carbohydrates. For example, like
I
when you eat anything, it enter your body as a glucose. After that, the human body finishes the glucose that you eat. So it go to the liver to get your. You hear me well? So go to the liver to get the glycogen, which is stored inside your body. Okay, you know the glycogen?
yes.
Yeah, the
Yes.
glycogen is yeah, you know.
No, yes. I
You can't hear me or you can't understand.
can't I can't hear you.
Yeah, it's okay. Here again, we have a fast source of energy because carbohydrates it's first source of energy. As your body, when you need energy, when body need energy, it go to the carbohydrates that you eat, like grapes, like fruits, like rice, like bread. After you finish this one, your body need more energy, so go to the liver. Your liver inside it stored inside it something called glycogen. Glycogen is a stored energy that found inside your body, the stored form of energy that found inside your body. They are complex carbohydrates found find inside your body. So here, when I say that your glycogen have finished, so your body go to the lipids to break out it. So the lipid is not the fast source. The fast source for energy is carbohydrate. You understand this point?
Yes, I can
So
understand.
yeah. So the
Yes.
fast source of
Yes, I
energy here
understand it.
is yeah. Thank you. So the fast source of energy is carbohydrate, then lipids. When your body finish the lipids, finish the carbohydrates, so go to the lipids to break out
Yes.
it to get energy. And the second, and second part, the second function of the carbohydrates is build cell membrane. Yes, you know that plant cell and animal cell. Yeah, plant cell have a wall around it, which is called what, ya Mariam? You have a two membrane inside the plant cell, which is
Cell membrane.
yes,
What?
cell
I can't hear
membrane.
you.
Again, ya Mariam, here inside your plant cell, the plant cell have two membranes. What are the two membranes in the plant cell? Number one is what?
Number one.
They have outer membrane and inner membrane. So outer membrane called what?
What?
Cell wall. Super ya Muhammad. And the another inner membrane is called cell membrane. So here
Membrane.
this
Cell.
yeah, the cell wall here, ya Mariam, it contains what, ya Luigi? It contains types of carbohydrates, which is called cellulose. Called what, ya Ganna? Cellulose. Called what?
Cellulose.
Cellulose. Repeat after me. Cellulose. Yes. Yeah, cellulose is found
With
inside the cell wall of plant cell. You have question, Muhammad?
what?
You have any question?
No, no, complete.
It's okay. So here we have a cell wall. This cell wall contains what? Cellulose. This type of carbohydrates found inside your cell. So it's found in the plant cell or animal cell. It's found in cell wall. Your body have a cell wall. We took before that plant cell contain two membrane, cell wall and cell membrane. But human body cell contain cell wall and cell membrane, or cell membrane only.
Cell wall.
Membrane.
Cell membrane,
Cell
super ya
membrane.
Mari.
Cell membrane.
Yes,
Sorry,
super
sorry.
ya Mari. It's okay, Muhammad. So here, your human body contains cell membrane, not contain cell wall. So cellulose here found in plant cell, not in animal, in plant cell only, not in animal or human cell. So it builds the cell membrane, cell membrane or cell wall for animal cell only. Okay, because it contains cellulose. You got this point or not?
Yes.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
After that, the second importance for the third importance for carbohydrates, it stored inside your body. Yeah, this point I discussed this point for Muhammad from just 2 minutes, that your body contains carbohydrates inside the liver in form of glycogen. Yeah, when he asked me that which one is fast source of energy, carbohydrates or lipids, I told him,
Carbs.
yeah, it's carbohydrates. So here why? Because your body take first the carbohydrates from grapes, takes from what? Rice, from what again? From bread. All
From
of that is a
starch,
source
bread.
of, all of the source of energy for you. And it after finish this energy that you took from your diet, it go to this energy that is stored inside your body, which is
Glycogen.
glycogen that found inside the liver. Okay, Luigi? So here inside your body,
Okay.
in form of glycogen, stored energy inside your body in the liver. So when I have finished the glycogen in the liver, so I go to the human body go to the lipids to break down the lipids. So you have a lot of energy from the lipids than carbohydrates. So the first source of energy is carbohydrates, not lipids, because the human body take first its energy from glucose or from carbohydrates. It's okay?
Okay.
Okay, Luigi,
I
could
think
it?
we need a large amount of carbs in breakfast. That's right? Or
Yes, it's a lot of carbs in the breakfast. Yes, to get a lot of energy at the morning. Okay,
okay.
Luigi, could you tell me the first importance for carbohydrates is what? You remember?
Um. Yeah. It's burns fast in the body. The
Yeah, it's
first
a
source of energy.
fast source of energy. Yeah, Mariam, could you tell me the second importance for the carbohydrates?
Uh, bring energy.
Yes, bring energy. Luigi said the first source of it's the first source of energy, or fast source of energy. But the second importance, we talk about the
It's
carbohydrates.
related about the membrane or what?
Yes, super
Something like this.
membrane. Yes, membrane or cell wall of plant cell or animal cell, ya Mariam?
Cell wall of animal cell.
Cell wall of animal or cell wall of plant? Animal cell have a cell wall?
Plant.
Plant cell,
Plant.
yes, okay. Ganna. And the last thing we talk about the stored energy. Yeah, we talk about the stored energy, and we said that human body stored energy in form of what?
Brain.
No, it's called what? Glycogen. Called
Mm.
what?
Glycogen.
Glycogen. Super, yeah, Ganna. So, and this glycogen is stored inside the liver, okay?
Liver.
Yeah, thank you, Mariam. And the last thing that found inside the plant, yeah, the carbohydrates stored in the plant in form of starch. It's stored inside your body as what? As glycogen, yes, but also it's stored inside the plant as what? In form of
As
what?
lipids,
It's what?
Starch. Starch. Form of
Starch.
starch.
Yeah.
starch.
Could you give me example like what? The plant that contains starch and stored food inside it?
I
Um,
think apple.
No. Carbohydrates, huh? Starch, every day found in the breakfast.
Bread.
Jannab. No.
bread.
In the plant. No, no. Again, the
Potato.
question again. I mean that plant store energy in form of starch. I need plant
Corn.
that no, yeah, corn, super, huh? What
Uh,
else? Plants
potato.
that store in form potato, super. Potato, yes. It's one of the
Okay.
plants that store energy in form of starch. Yes.
Yes.
So it's found inside the plant. The starch it's stored energy in form of starch. Okay. Anyone have a question about carbohydrates?
Thank you. Thank
It's
you.
okay. Now
Thank you.
we have a link. So you must. I will put it inside the chat. Okay. After that,
Okay.
I want everyone answer these questions. Okay. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. The link here, I will put it in the chat. The Zoom here. You got it?
Yes.
Not yet.
Yes.
I
Yes.
can't. Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. You have here question. Give examples for carbohydrates. So I need everyone share and give me example for carbohydrates. Like what? You can
Uh,
write any example as you can. Yeah. Hurry up, guys.
I answered the question.
But here it not appear for me. You are sure?
Wait a minute. Yes, I'm sure.
Maybe
Thank
internet connection.
you.
yes, I answered it too.
It's okay. Maybe internet connection. I will see it now.
What should I answer?
You give me examples for carbohydrates. Any example for carbohydrates? It appear for you that the examples for carbohydrates?
You got my answer?
No.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Yeah, here the questions appear in front of you. Give example for carbohydrates.
Yes.
Okay, and you answered?
Yes.
Yeah,
See,
here,
you see
yes.
that?
Yeah. It's an internet connection, not yes. Rice, potato, pasta. Yeah.
It's not my question.
What is your question that appear in front of you?
Let me remember. بس. We need in the breakfast more
No.
vitamin.
No, wait. I will give you another link to see it. Okay? I share another link for you.
I choose vitamins.
No, wait. It's another questions, okay? I will put here inside in the chat, okay? And you can enter. Rice, potato, pasta, what else, huh? What else?
Give example for carbohydrates.
Yes. The others,
Bread.
where are the others?
Bread.
No, you can write. You can write and it appeared to me in the screen as you see now.
Okay.
The others, where are the others?
Can I write more than one example?
As you like.
Okay.
Miss, I answered.
Another one.
It's okay.
Another one.
I answered too.
It's my answer.
It's okay. It's also internet
Okay.
connection. It will appear. Don't worry.
Okay. I
Yeah.
answered
Here,
starch
pasta, pasta, bread, fries, bread with starch, bread. Yeah. Yes. I saw all here. So all of these
here
examples:
I
bread, starch, pasta, bread, fries, bread, pasta. Thank you. Rice, potato. Yeah, you have another answers. Rice, potato, and pasta. Yes. Thank you for your answers. Anyone have any problem in carbohydrates?
No.
No.
Anyone have any problem in vitamins? We need vitamins to give us maybe energy, maybe for immunity, to give to protect us from any microbes, or to protect to increase your immunity system here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's continue. So we have finished the first part, which is carbohydrates and mineral carbohydrates and vitamins. Let's enter to the third type of the diet, which is protein. You didn't see my screen, yes?
Yes.
I share it now.
I got it.
Yes. The third one is protein. Protein? Yes. A lot of you here bring protein. Like what? Mariam, you bring
Meat.
protein. Yeah. Farida.
Chicken.
Chicken, yes. What else? Ganna, you bring protein, yes? Ganna,
Uh,
you bring protein, I think.
Yes, she brought fries and chicken.
Yes, chicken, yes. So
I
here,
brought chicken.
yes, chicken. Thank you again. So here, the protein is one of the most important components for your diet, as it builds our body. Yes, without protein, you can't build your body. It helps for the growth. And also it's important for formation of hormones. You know the hormone?
Yes.
You know what I mean by hormone?
Like steroids.
Yes, a steroid hormone, but a steroid hormone is made of lipids, not protein. I need hormones like any hormone, like what? Like growth hormone. You know, growth hormone that's responsible for your growth. It's made up of protein.
Yes.
Yeah, and enzyme. A lot of enzymes inside your body, like enzyme like pepsin enzyme, like trypsin enzyme, like what else? Amylase enzyme. All of these enzymes made up of proteins. Made up of what? Made up of what?
Proteins.
Proteins, yes. Your hair, your nails, all of that made up of protein. So when the girl is take care of your nails and take care of her hair, so you must do what? You must eat a lot of protein. Different kind
Eat
of protein.
proteins.
Yeah, different kind of protein. To
Protein.
yeah, to help it you for growth, for making hormones, for enzymes, to formation of enzymes. So when I ask you now, yeah, Luigi, if you didn't have protein, You can build your body,
No.
and you can do what else?
Um, the growth of everything in the body.
Yes, it not help for growth anything in your body. And what else? Hiya, Mariam. If you don't have protein,
the hormone will
Enzymes can't
yeah.
work.
yes, enzymes can form it. Hormones, thank you, Mariam, can form it. And so, if you didn't have hormones and enzyme, your body or your cells can do its activity.
No, it's
No.
No.
no. It can't.
Yeah, I can't. So here, let's go to the examples of the different kind of protein that you must eat every day to get you help for growth, to help you to for formation of enzymes and proteins, like beans, like
Hormones.
meat, like chicken. Yes,
Meat and chicken.
meat and the chicken. Yes, all of that are examples for protein. Okay. And here we have finished protein. Anyone have a question for protein?
No.
The last thing inside
Thank you.
the last thing inside your diet, which is the last one. I think. Anyone remember?
Lipids.
Lipid. Super. Huh? You bring which type of lipid? For example, who bring lipids for me?
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken. Which you
Chicken?
fry the chicken with oil.
I,
Yes.
I
And
bring butter.
Batter, yes. So the lipids here like batter and oil that you fried it with the chicken. Here, oil and butter is one of the most important or common lipids that we have. Butter and oil. Do you know that the lipids give you large amount of energy? Yeah, you said before that
Yes.
carbohydrates
Yes.
Yes.
fast source. Carbohydrates fast source, but lipids it give you large amount of energy, big amount of energy. Then the carbohydrates, then carbohydrates. So here the lipids it's very important for us also, but not increase from it in the balanced diet. You must be inside the balanced diet must be not contain a lot of lipids. It must contain just a small amount, but to give you a large amount of energy, big amount of energy. Also, it entered to form your cell membrane. My cell membrane, yes, it form your the
Yes.
cell membrane in form of phospholipids as we talked before. So it's very important to eat lipids to give you a large amount of energy and to build the cell as cell membrane. We can build it with lipids. So here we have finished our diet, and I want you to interact with me. I will give you also another question. I will share the link now.
Okay.
It's okay till the link. Okay, it's opened. Okay, we'll share the link and you must answer the question. Okay. You got it?
Not
No.
yet.
No.
Yeah, here.
Yes.
Now.
Yes, we got
Got
it now.
Yeah, okay. Which type of food contain lipids? Grapes, butter, or meat? Answer fast.
butter.
No, 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 no.
But
Okay, you can answer inside the Mentimeter here.
Okay,
I
sorry.
Yeah, super. Yeah, better. Yes, most of you that answered well. Yeah, it's better. Thank
Sorry.
you. But graphs contain what, ya Mariam?
what?
Grapes contain which type of
Grapes
food?
contain sugars.
No, no,
Grapes
no.
contain
Wait.
sugars. Sugar
Carbohydrates.
and sugar
Yeah, sugar and carbohydrates.
carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates, yes.
Thank you, but يعني must be attention that everyone must يعني answer its own questions, okay? Meat contain what يا لوجي؟
Proteins.
Contains protein.
لوجي يا محمد. ها؟
Proteins.
Yeah, proteins. So here we will see just 2 minutes video and I will share it inshallah, but I want you to enter it. I will share the link now in the chat and
Okay.
okay, here you got it.
Yes.
First
Yes.
question. I have a
Yeah,
question.
okay, it's the
The
video.
eggs.
What?
The eggs.
Yeah,
It's
the egg, huh?
considered from
It's
it's considered from proteins or carbs.
yeah. Anyone can answer this question?
I
What the
think
question?
protein.
Yeah, egg. Yeah, you think proteins. He is right. The egg is protein or carbs? Carbohydrates, Mindy.
I
No,
think he
it's
is right.
He is right. Yes, proteins. Egg, they are examples for proteins, not carbs. Carbs like rice, like potatoes, like grabs, give you energy. But here, eggs is like meat, like a chicken. So it's protein. Thank you, Muhammad. Here, let's see the video. It's open for you.
Wait,
No.
no.
It's okay. I will share
Yes.
it. Listen to it
Yes.
with me. Yeah.
open it.
Listen to it well because you have activity,
To create
okay?
a healthy plate.
What?
How to create a healthy plate.
Yes. You will now do activity after this video. You create your own diet or balanced diet now, but after this video, okay? Listen to the video well.
What can you make your family for dinner that's healthy and tastes good? You can follow the plate method. This healthy eating plan works for everybody, including people with diabetes. Indeed, making nutritious healthy meals will be a snack. What's a healthy plate? It's a way to control your serving sizes where you don't have to count. Simply use a 7-inch plate for children and a 9-inch plate for adults. First, divide the plate in half and fill one of them with vegetables. There are two types of vegetables: starchy, like potatoes, corn, peas, or plantains, and non-starchy, like zucchini, jicama, cucumbers, carrots, or celery. If you have diabetes, fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables. Then fill 1/4 with
Yeah, why we couldn't fill it with starch one vegetable? Starch. Why? Because the starch give us what?
Carbohydrates.
Yeah,
Carbohydrates.
but not more starch because more starch will affect yeah, but not more starch because it will affect on your weight because it increase your weight, okay?
Okay.
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 brown rice. In the other quart, add some lean proteins like tofu, grilled fish, or chicken. Think about adding a side of tortilla or bread? It's hard to resist, I know. The trick is to serve yourself a smaller portion of the other starches on your plate instead. To complete your meal, add a drink like unsweetened coffee, tea, or a glass of milk. But remember that drinking 8 ounces of milk affects your blood sugar just as it would if you ate another tortilla or a slice of bread.
Why it's important to drink milk rather than any bread?
What?
What again?
Why we must drink? It's preferred to drink milk rather than eating bread.
Because it
Because milk
contains
contain
protein.
lactose.
Yes, lactose. Yes, it's a carbohydrate, but it's also it's important as it contain carbohydrates, lactose only, or also contain what? What else?
Protein.
Protein, yes.
Carbohydrates. Bread contain carbohydrates.
Yes,
Protein.
bread here contain carbohydrates only, but milk contain both carbohydrates, which is lactose, as Muhammad said,
And
and also contain protein. So it contains two here, two balanced diets. So it's important.
Or you can also choose water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. How you create your plate is up to you. You have many options, as long as you remember prompts and guidelines.
So here we have finished this video. Now I need everyone can search and share your screen to give me balanced yeah, H2. I will choose H2. Okay. For example, Luji and Ganna,
Okay.
and Farida and Mariam, and me and Muhammad. We'll share. We will can go to the WhatsApp group, and you can think about the balanced diet. For example, Luji and Ganna for dinner, Farid and Mariam for lunch, and me and Muhammad for breakfast. And I will just 1 minute because we don't have enough time for a Zoom session. And after that, each one will share its screen for balanced diet. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay,
Okay.
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 Hurry up, guys.
yeah, I got
I will share my screen. I got one. Yeah, me and Muhammad. We think before the session about the balanced diet for breakfast here. Look, Muhammad, could you introduce this breakfast balanced diet for breakfast?
contain eggs and
Yes,
bread and beans, salad,
yes. All of that contain what? Huh? Eggs, protein, beans,
protein
what?
and carbs and vitamins
Yeah.
and and
Bread is what?
no, it's lipids. I think beans,
Beans. Yes, beans is carbohydrates. Huh? Bread is what?
carbohydrates, and eggs
Yes,
is proteins, and
protein.